For us, partnership has become closer due to performance monitoring. I can tell you how that started. It's just we have been tracking performance for a while. It's not a new thing. We have been using Firebase performance monitoring before. It just wasn't enough. We have evaluated other tools alongside Sentry as we were looking into adopting it. Sentry came out and very clearly on top based on the capabilities it offers. We don't want to have engineers, as I think Walt alluded to, that have to be experts in the area to be able to, optimize performance at all, and for anyone to just be able to jump in and see something actionable. And that's where, Sentry kind of helps us.